Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you a quick tutorial about SMB in Ubuntu Server. First we have to install our SMB. To do this you have to type this. As you can see, installation is done. Now we have to enter our configuration file for Samba. And that's how it looks like. But now I will do nothing here. First we have to create file to share like this. To do this we have to type sudo and clear folder, and now sudo 777. Now we're gonna enter the file once again, and on the very bottom we're gonna write here the information about our folder. We have to use 3 spaces, and now we can type path if we want this folder to be browsable. Type yes. We also can type no. Writable. No. If you want guys to check this folder, also you can click yes. And if you want this folder to only be to read, and we don't want, because we just said it will be writable. So here we will type no. And that's all about Samba. Thank you guys for watching.